Look at that. That was easy.
Hey, we're headed to the job site today. We have a vanity going in. It's a double bowl vanity with an acrylic top. I think we pretty much have everything ready to go to get this one done in one day. So
Oh, it's here. Are you gonna slide that thing right in there now?
that is my plan.
Okay. Look at that. That was easy.
Just need to get a pocket screw.
Yeah, and take that off.
Take that off.
Just slide it out a little. I'm not
Put a blanket down.
I was just gonna slide it out.
Yeah, if you can hold the track saw up and cut down through it. All right.
Okay.
You guys got this.
See you later. Have fun. All right, so that utility won't stand up straight because it'll hit the ceiling. We're gonna take off the side, so when you stand it up, there's a lot of play on the one side because there'll be nothing touching the floor, and then when you push it tight to the wall and screw it to the wall, it'll be fine.
You grab the 4-foot level though.
Cool. Yep.
Let her rip. Beautiful.
Oh, that thing is great.
It is. Saves a lot of time on stupid little cuts like that.
Yeah. Perfect.
All right, you want to grab the 6-foot level?
Got the cabinets in here, and we're gonna screw these all together, and then we'll be able to suck them to the wall, trim out some scribes and some crown, Then the counter should be on its way, and we'll be putting that in shortly.
So,
This worked out pretty good.
wait, technically it could go either or.
Oh, we lost the micro pinner. It blew up.
Trevor, shut up. Don't pay attention.
Such a liar. Can't believe you're my relative.
Yeah, you're kind of responsible for him.